Should I choose STEM to become a medical practitioner, or should I choose UMS to continue my bloodline of being a teacher? Sis, I need your help to choose what strand should I choose.
There are many strands that can be chosen. What course would you like to pursue?
I'm having a hard time to choose between STEM and UMS. Can you give me short ideas about UMS strand?
Okay, so Jung strand, it involves laws and psychology if you want to be a lawyer and if you want to be a politician.
Now it makes sense. Thank you so much, sis.
Yeah, there you go. Good luck to your choosing in your strand. I'm going to sleep na.
Okay. Okay, John Earl, let's do this. UMS or STEM is like choosing between two completely different fields. UMS, Humanities and Social Sciences, sounds cozy, like a warm blanket on a cold night. I call study literature, history, maybe even languages. Imagine analyzing Shakespeare, understanding the French Revolution. It feels fulfilling, creative, but is it practical? How about STEM science, technology, engineering, mathematics, the opposite end of spectrum, robots, equations, experiments? It's challenging, demanding, but also exciting. Think of the possibility, developing new technologies, solving real-world problems. It's a path to innovation, but will I be happy doing it? Will I lose sight of the things I love, the art, the stories? Maybe it's not an either or situation. Maybe there's a way to combine my interests. Maybe I can find a career that blends the creative and the significant data analysis, game design. There are so many options I haven't even considered. I'll talk to people who are already in those fields, and then I'll make a decision that's right for me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Rachel.
Good morning to you too. What is your reason for being here?
I would like to change my strand
Why did you think of that?
because felt that being a STEM student didn't suit me, so I decided to switch to UMS.
If that's what you want, then I'll help you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. You're welcome.